Now, Brazil is the third worst affected country in the world, and the situation is getting worse. A new strain has been found in Brazil. Health workers in the country's largest state are helpless. They are running out of oxygen. Here's a report.
Last weekend, health officials in Tokyo tested 4 travelers. They were positive for the Wuhan virus, but of a different variant. The Brazilian variant. The Wuhan virus has changed its shape again, this time in Brazil. The 4 travelers who reached Tokyo with the virus were from Amazonas, the largest state in Brazil where the Wuhan virus is mercilessly taking lives. 6,000 people have died in Amazonas. Now there is a surge in the cases. One official has suggested the flare-up could be linked to the new variant. The outbreak is getting out of hand. It could lead to a collapse of the local healthcare system. There is a shortage of everything, from healthcare workers to medical supplies, ICU beds, and even oxygen.
We are at the limit of our ICU capacity and medical clinics. We are beating all international records for these areas. We are running low on oxygen supplies, which is a big problem for us.
The dead are being delivered to the graveyards day and night, with tractors being deployed to fill up the graves. On Thursday, the families of the victims hit the streets. They claim their loved ones died because hospitals ran out of oxygen.
My grandmother died today because of lack of oxygen. There were 21 patients in the CTI, split in equal groups, and my grandmother, 84 years of age, couldn't survive. She needed 15 liters of oxygen. She didn't have enough.
The situation on the ground is quite grim. A woman shared this desperate plea for help on Twitter. Standing outside a clinic near the airport, she says the oxygen supplies have run out. The video ends with an appeal for more supplies. Ultimately, Brazil's army sent in the essential supplies. Brazil's vice president tweeted photographs of the airlift. But for those who have already lost their loved ones, these actions are simply too little and too late. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.